Dear students, we have already discussed double decomposition reaction, a reaction in which two ionic compounds exchange their ions and produce two new products. In this reaction, cation of one goes to anion of another compound, and by this exchange they produce two new compounds. We also say this double decomposition to be double displacement reaction. The first type of double decomposition reaction or double displacement reaction we have already discussed, that is precipitation reaction, in which one of the two products is an insoluble solid. The other type of double decomposition reaction is said to be neutralization reaction. We say neutralization reaction for the reason that an acid and a base lose their acidic and basic nature and form two new neutral substances. One is salt and other is water. So an acid and a base combine together to form, or means exchange their ions to form two new products. One is a salt and other is water. Salt is also neutral, water is also neutral. So acid and base lose their acidic and basic nature and form neutral product. That's why we can say that acid is neutralizing base and base is neutralizing acid. So this can be said to be neutralization reaction. This is one of the type of double decomposition reaction. Now the question arises, what is a base and what is an acid? So a base is basic by nature, but otherwise chemically bases are either metallic oxides or metallic hydroxides. Metallic oxide like calcium oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide, etc. And hydroxides again the same, calcium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, etc. There can be more metals as well, not only sodium, potassium and calcium. But their oxides as well as their hydroxides are basic by nature, then they form metallic, then they are called to be base. There are some of the metallic oxides which are not basic by nature. Then they are not basic, so they are said to be amphoteric oxide like zinc oxide, aluminium oxide, etc. So we do not consider all metallic oxide, but only those metallic oxides which are basic by nature. Which are basic by nature? How do you know whether metallic oxide or hydroxide is basic by nature or not? If it is basic by nature, then it will combine with an acid or react with the acid to form salt and water. If it is not a base but a metallic oxide, then it will not give neutralization reaction with an acid. It means it will not react with acid to form salt and water. Okay, how to define acids? What are acids? They are acidic by nature, is okay. But how to know which compounds are acidic by nature? Mostly non-metallic oxides are acidic by nature, and their oxides in water or their compound in water dissolved in water gives acid, forms acid. And acids are defined as those compounds or those ionic compound, you can say, which furnish or give hydrogen ion as only positively charged radical. The meaning is that if a compound like HCl dissolves in water, then it will give a cation and anion, as all the ionic compound when they dissolve in water, they give their cation and anion is separated by water. But if it is an acid, then it will give only one positive ion, and that is One means one type of positive ion, and that is hydrogen ion. And take some more example of acid like H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is an acid, so it will give only one type of positive ion, that is hydrogen ion. Negative radicals may be different, like nitric acid. Nitric acid as well in aqueous solution will give only one cation, that is hydrogen ion. Negative radical may be different. We can take more example, but all the acids are in aqueous solution. They are not solid like base can be solid as well and in the solution form as well, but acids are always in aqueous solution because then only they can furnish hydrogen ion. Take example of acetic acid, CH3COOH. This one as well in aqueous solution will give hydrogen ion as cation and acetate ion as anion. So children, neutralization reaction is a reaction in which an acid and a base react or combine to form salt and water, two neutral substances, and therefore this reaction is said to be neutralization reaction. An acid is an ionic compound which furnish only hydrogen ion as cation in aqueous solution, means water solution, whereas a base is a substance which combines with acid to form salt and water. So I am repeating how to define a base. A base is a substance which reacts with an acid to form salt and water as the only product, and an acid is a substance which furnish hydrogen ion as the only cation in aqueous or water solution. And what is neutralization reaction? A neutralization reaction is a reaction in which acid and base lose or cancel their acidic and basic nature and form two neutral products, that is salt and water.